Many churches and event venues offer assistive listening systems, but managing proprietary headphones and older hardware can often be challenging for both staff and guests. This is AuraPlex, an advanced assistive listening system built on Auracast broadcast audio technology, designed to make audio accessibility simpler and more flexible. Operation is straightforward, with 4 common ways for listeners to join. First, guests with the latest Auracast-enabled hearing aids can connect directly with 0 extra hardware. Second, for guests who don't wear hearing aids but still need a volume boost, they can simply plug a 3.5mm headphone into the AuraPlex receiver. Third, those with traditional legacy hearing aids can use the receiver paired with a neck loop to stream audio directly into their devices. And finally, it supports true bring-your-own-device flexibility, allowing anyone to join instantly using their own Auracast-ready personal headphones or earbuds. With a reliable operating range of up to 100 meters, a single transmitter can easily cover 300 to 500 seats, and you can scale up your system with unlimited additions as your attendance grows. The system is fully modular to fit different venue sizes. You can start with the M3 kit for initial testing, deploy the X6 or MX system, or freely mix and match extra receivers and headphones to create your own custom setup. AuraPlex makes assistive listening simpler, more flexible, and easier to manage. Visit our website to find the right solution for your space.